Welcome to Ashraful BDTV. English Premier League Football EPL 2024-2025 Point table standing last update after match week 19. Number 20 Southampton match 19 on match lost 15 match draw 3 match point 6. Number 19 Leicester City match 19 won 3 match lost 11 match draw 5 match point 14. Number 18 Ipswich Town match 19 won 3 match lost 10 match draw 6 match point 15. Number 17 Wolves match 19 won 4 match lost 11 match draw 4 match point 16. Number 16 Everton match 18 won 3 match lost 7 match draw 8 match point 17. Number 15 Crystal Palace match 19 won 4 match lost 7 match draw 8 match point 20. Number 14 Manchester United match 19 won 6 match lost 9 match draw 4 match point 22. Number 13 West Ham match 19 won 6 match lost 8 match draw 5 match point 23. Number 12 Brentford match 19 won 7 match lost 9 match draw 3 match point 24. Number 11 Tottenham match 19 won 7 match lost 9 match draw 3 match point 24. Number 10 Brighton match 19 won 6 match lost 4 match draw 9 match point 27. Number 9 Aston Villa match 19 won 8 match lost 6 match draw 4 match point 29. Number 8 Fulham match 19 won 7 match lost 4 match draw 8 match point 29. Number 7 Bournemouth match 19 won 8 match lost 5 match draw 6 match point 30. Number 6 Manchester City match 19 won 9 match lost 6 match draw 4 match point 31. Number 5 Newcastle match 19 won 9 match lost 5 match draw 5 match point 32. Number 4 Chelsea match 19 won 10 match lost 4 match draw 5 match point 35. Number 3 Nottingham Forest match 19 won 11 match lost 4 match draw 4 match point 37. Number 2 Arsenal match 19 won 11 match lost 2 match draw 6 match point 39. And number 1 Liverpool match 18 won 14 match lost 1 match draw 3 match point 45. Subscribe to our channel to get any sports news update. Thanks for watching.